So very good day to everybody. This is advanced programming practice, and in today's class we discuss about the forms, how you try to update the form, how you will go with the delete view, and how you perform the test. So that we will be discussing in today's class. So this is especially for you, my dear students and young researchers, and you can reach me at dr.christoananth@gmail.com. So before beginning the session, once again, let me thank God for giving me this opportunity to deliver this useful session to share my knowledge among my fellow national, international participants, students, and young researchers. So in today's class, we discuss about the forms, how we will go with the updated file. Then we discuss about the home page. We try to install Django. We have a home page. Then we'll have a new button. Okay. So normally, if you take in the case of forms, the user has to give the input, and accordingly, we'll proceed the functions. Then we'll have a blog new page where we have the reverse Django. Then in the blog home page, we'll have 4 posts. We try to update the form. We try to delete the view, how it will look like, that we will see. Then home page with the deleted post, or maybe home page with the post deleted, that we will be seeing. And I've given the enumerated work for you. Please complete them at your best available time. And at regular intervals, I will be giving you some short videos to discuss the knowledge in our topics. Right. So forms, if you can see, users are going to give the input. Okay, so they have to enter input form, and maybe the output is actually stored. Okay. So maybe if you are accepting user input means normally there will be some attacks. What you call it to be security attacks, what you call it to be the XSS attacks. So proper error handling is actually required, and there are the user input considerations as well, which is going to alert the user about the problems with the form. Okay, so maybe if you have any difficulty, then Django with its user friendly interface, it will be providing and working with forms easier. Okay, so for this one, you have to update the base template. You have to display the link to the page as well for entering the new blog post. So ahref is equal to modulus URL post new. So this is how you will go with the new blog post. Okay, so the post new is actually the name of the URL that you are pointing to. So maybe in the template slash base.html, you'll have the load static. Okay, you'll have the HTML tag, head tag, title is nothing but Django blog. Then within the link href, so this is the URL that is going to point to. So fonts.googleapps.com/css family. Okay, rel equal to style sheet, link href is equal to static css base.css. Okay, then you close the head, start with the body, div tag, header tag, div class is equal to navigation left, and then h1 ahref the URL home, the Django block, close the div tag, then you have the div class is equal to navigation right, ahref the post new post, which is nothing but the new blog post, and then close the div and then close the header. Then for the XSS attack, in order to prevent the XSS attack, you will have this block content and then end block content. Close the div, close the body, and then close the HTML. So maybe you'll add the new URL conf for the new post that you have created, and you have try to import the not yet created view called as the blog create view. Okay, so then you make the URL like post/new. Maybe if you go with 127.0.0.1:8000/post/new, that is the URL that you are going to point to. Okay, so blog/urls.py, you will have from Django.urls import path. From .views, import the blog list view, blog detail view, and then blog create view. So this is the new line that we are adding, and within the URL patterns, you add the new thing. Okay, like post/new blog create view dot as underscore view name equal to post underscore new. Okay, so you'll have the blog detail view as well, and you'll have blog list view dot as underscore view. Okay, so the same thing you are going to maintain with the template, and maybe you are trying to import the generic class event, which is nothing but the create view, and then within that subclass you will try to create a new view, which is nothing but blog create view. So you will have the code blog/views.py from Django.views generic import the list view as well as detail view. Then within that you will have the new code, which is nothing but Django.views.generic.edit import the create view. So this is the new line that we are trying to add. So within that you will have from .models import the post. Then within the block list view, you specify the model equal to post and the template name is equal to home.html. So in addition to it, you'll have detail view and then create view also. Detail view is just the same. Earlier we saw model equal to post, template name equal to post underscore detail.html, and within that, this is the new thing, create view, create post. Okay. So model equal to post, template name equal to post underscore new.html. The fields you are having title, author, body. That is the new form that you are going to have with the create. So within the block create view, you specify the database model, which is nothing but post, the name of the template post underscore new.html, and you try to explicitly define the fields like title, author, and then body. Next, what you do, you try to create a template post underscore new.html. So you'll have within the block you access like $touch templates slash post underscore new.html. Then you write the code. Okay. So template slash post underscore new.html. You extend the base.html. Then the block content, you'll have the HTML tag, new post. Form action is nothing but the post you are going to have. CSRF token, once again, it is going to prevent the XSS attacks. Okay. Then from form.as underscore p, then you close the form and the end block content. So yeah, you have used the HTML tags with the post method. Okay, since we are actually sending the data. So maybe if you are receiving the data from the form, okay, so maybe you will use get method. Okay, so CSRF token to avoid any cross-site scripting attacks even, and you should be using the CSRF token for all the Django forms. Okay, so next you have to use the form.as underscore p. Maybe within the paragraph tags you will be using them, and finally you are assigning the value save. So this is the home page with a new button. Maybe if you go with 127.0.0.1:8000, you will be seeing this one Django block. You remember that this is the HTML tag that we have created, H1 tag, and here you have two posts, hello world and then goals today. It is displaying the contents of the post also, but here in the top you can see plus new blog post. So this is the new feature that we have added. So maybe if you go with the, if you click on this new blog post, okay, so it will be going, maybe in the URL you can see 127.0.0.1:8000 slash post slash new. This is the thing you are displaying. Within that you will be having title, author, and then body. The author, it is nothing but a drop down list box. You can select your author, maybe if you have multiple authors, and you can enter the body. Provided body also, like here you can see there are only limited characters only. Okay, so you can create a new blog post and then you can save this. So you can see like the third post, I wonder if this still work. It is nothing but the body, the author is selected as WSV, and you can click on the save button, but you'll get an error message, improperly configured at post slash new. Okay, so you'll be getting the error message. So we'll try to understand, it will be very helpful. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to send the user to the detail page after success. Okay, congratulations, or maybe it is created successfully, like that you have to see. Okay, so they should see their completed post. Okay, so maybe we will go with the Django suggestion. What we will do, we will try to add a get absolute URL to our model. Okay, so you can set a canonical URL for an object you are pointing to. Maybe you will get absolute URL, and maybe you can add string method also to confirm that you have completed successfully. Okay, so what you do, you open the models.py file and you import on the second line for reverse, and then you try to have a new get absolute URL method. Okay, so block slash models.py file, from django.db import models, from django.urls import the reverse. So this is the new thing that we are adding. And within the class post models.model, you will have title, which is nothing but models.character field. You specify the maximum length of the character field to be 200. Then within the author, you will have models.foreign key. Okay, the authentication.user, and then delete also you will have models.cascade. Then the body, you'll have models.text field because we are entering only the text, and then define the string field of self, return self.title. Then as I told you, you are going to have a get absolute URL method. So get absolute URL as self. Okay, this is the new thing. and then return reverse the post detail argument is the string of self.id. So here you are using reverse Django, so which means that it's a handy utility function. You are finding a reference to the object by the URL template name. So for this case, maybe you are referencing to the post underscore detail. So maybe you will have path the post. Okay, so block detail view dot as underscore view name equal to post underscore detail. Okay. So which means that in order to work, we have to pass in the agreement, okay, with the PK, which is nothing but primary key. So PK and maybe ID are interchangeable even, okay, because the Django docs recommend using self.id with the get absolute URL. Okay, so you are actually telling this Django that the ultimate location for this post entry is nothing but post underscore detail view. So here it is going to point to this PK. Okay, post slash int PK, it is nothing but the primary key. So that the root for the first entry will be at the post slash 1. Okay, so maybe if you are going to create a new blog post, then it will, you can find it at 127.0.0.1:8000 slash post slash new. Okay, so here you will be having the new blog post like a title, author, you can select body up to 200 characters only. You can click on the save button. So when you click on the save button, it will be your new redirected to the detail view page where the post actually appears. Okay. So you can find this one Django block. Is this form working? So this is the new post that has been created, and maybe if you go to the home page like 127.0.1:8000, you will see 3 posts and then the 4th post. Is this form working? Yes, it is. Okay, so this is the thing. It will be sent to the database and it will be redirecting. Okay. So this is the update form. You can also update form. You can edit the blog post. Okay. So this you can do it in the update view. Okay. So you can create a requisite template URL and view. So you can add a link to the post underscore detail.html. So you can edit a blog post that appears on an individual blog page. So in the template slash post underscore detail.html, you are going to extend the base.html, and in the block content, you are going to have div class post entry. H2 tag you are going to have post.title, okay, and post.body. So you close the div, and here you are going to have the post.primary key, okay, edit plus edit blog post, okay, and then the end block content. Okay, so maybe you can add the link like ahref slash a also, and also the Django's template engine URL tag also. So we have specified the target name for the URL, which will be post underscore edit, and also we have passed the parameter that is needed, which is nothing but the primary key post.pk. Okay, so you have to create a base template for our edit page, which is nothing but post underscore edit.html. So within the command line, you'll have blog dollar touch template slash post underscore edit.html, and you have to add this following code: extends base.html, okay, block content, h1 tag edit post, form action method equal to post, you have CSRF token to prevent the XSS attack, and then form dot as underscore view p, the input type equal to submit, okay, value equal to update. Then you close the form and then the end block content, and you will be able to see the update thing in the uh, post that you are going to create. Okay, so for this you need to import the update view. Okay, so that you do that in the block update view. Okay, so block slash views.py from django.views.generic import the list view and detail view. From django.views.generic.edit import the create view and the update view also. So that is the new thing you are adding. So from dot models import the post class blog list view, the model equal to post, template name equal to home.html. Then you will have class blog detail view. Okay, so model equal to post, template name equal to post underscore detail.html. Then create view. So blog create view, you will have create view, model equal to post, template name equal to post new.html. Fields you have title, author, and body. And after these 3 fields, you are going to have a new field, okay, block update view, okay, that is update view, model equal to post, template name equal to post underscore edit.html. Fields you have title and body only, because this is what you are going to update. Okay, author you are not going to update. So the blog update view, so title and body only rather than all, because we assume that the author of the post is not changing. Okay. So the final step is nothing but updating the urls.py file. So add the blog update view up at the top, and then the new route to the top of the existing URL button. So within the blog slash urls.py file, you will have from Django.urls import path. From .views import the blog list view, detail view, create view, and then new thing, that is update view. So now you will have the URL patterns path, the path, okay, in pk primary key blog update view dot as underscore view name equal to post underscore edit, which is the new line, and then path the blog create view dot as underscore view, blog detail view dot as underscore view, and similarly blog list view dot as underscore view. Okay. So this is the thing you will see. Okay, like for the new URL pattern that you have created, post slash pk slash edit. Okay, so that is the thing that you are going to point to the post underscore edit. Okay, so maybe if you go with 127.0.0.1:8000 slash post slash 1. Okay, so that is the thing you will have. Hello world, my first blog post, woohoo, and then you will have this button which is nothing but edit blog post. At the top, as usual, you have new blog post, but here you will have edit blog post. Okay, now if you go for editing, then you will go with the URL 127.0.0.1:8000 slash post slash 1. After that you will have edit. So this is the edit page. You will have this one. You can update. Earlier you had saved. Here you have update. Okay. So here it was you can see that the form was already pre-filled with the existing data. Then after doing all this one, you can click on this update. So this is the blog home page with edited post. For example, 2, 3, 4 are not edited. Only first post is edited. So that is the reason you can find edited here. Okay. Then you have the delete view. So the process for creating the form to delete the blog post is very much similar to updating a post. So we'll create a generic class based view called as the delete view to help and need to create a view, URL, and then template for the functionality. Okay. So within the template slash post detail.html, you are going to extend base.html blog content, the div class equal to post entry. So h2 tag, it is nothing but post.title. Then you have post.body. Okay, then the paragraph tag a href is equal to URL the post edit. It is nothing but plus edit blog post, and then a href URL post delete. So this is the new thing. Okay, delete blog post. Okay, then end blog content. So in the command line, exit the local server. Okay, by pressing Ctrl+C. Then you go with blog $touch template slash post underscore delete.html, and you fill this with the code. Okay, extend base.html blog content delete post, and then form action method post. It is nothing but the CSRF token to prevent the XSS attack, and it will show. Maybe if you click on delete, means straight away it will not delete. Are you sure you want to delete? It will show only then only, because by mistake something you would have pressed. Okay, so after that the submit confirm. Only after confirming only it will delete. Okay, then close the form and the end block content. So here we are using this post.title to display the title of the blog post, and maybe you can use object.title also within the detail view. Okay, then you have to update the views.py file by importing the delete view, and now you have a new thing called as reverse lazy at the top. So try to create a new view, and the subclass is the delete view. So blog slash views.py from django.views.generic, import the list view and detail view, and then from django.views.generic.edit, import the create view, update view, and then delete view. This is the new thing that we are adding. Then you will have from django.urls import the reverse lazy. Okay, so that is the statement that we are having. Okay, once again redirecting. Okay, from .models import post class blog list view. Okay, list view model equal to post template name equal to home.html, and then class blog detail view, you will have the detail view. So model equal to post template name equal to post underscore detail.html. Then in the create view, so blog create view, okay, the create view model equal to post, template name equal to post underscore new.html. The fields for the create view, you'll have title, author, and then body. And then blog update view. So you have the model equal to post, template name equal to post edit.html, fields equal to title and then blog body. So this is the new thing that we are having. Blog delete view. Okay, delete view, model equal to post, template name equal to post underscore delete.html, and then success URL equal to reverse lazy. So reverse lazy is actually opposite of reverse. So it will not execute the URL redirect until the view has finished deleting the post. Only then it will go with the URL redirect. Okay. So finally you have to create the URL by importing the blog detail view. Okay. So this is the thing that you are going to add. So blog slash urls.py from django.urls import path. From .views import the blog list view, update view, detail view, create view, and finally the new one blog delete view. Okay. So the URL patterns you'll have post in primary key, blog delete view. Okay. Name equal to post delete. So you'll have blog create view dot as underscore view, blog detail view dot as underscore view, blog update view dot as underscore view, and finally blog list view dot as underscore view. Okay. Then maybe if you start the server, if you exit the server by manage.py run server, and maybe if you refresh this individual post page, then you will find the delete blog post. So you can also find this one. See, you will see this one Django blog. Okay, so post slash one. Here you will have new blog post. This one edited thing already edited. Here you have edit blog post and then delete blog post. So you can find additionally with the edit blog post, you will also find delete blog post. Okay, right. So maybe if you click on the link, maybe it will show. Are you sure? Are you confirming that you want to delete the post? So hello world edited, because it has already been edited. So that is the reason it shows edited. Okay. Maybe if you click on the confirm, then only it will delete. So if you click on the confirm button, it will be redirecting to the home page where the blog post has been deleted. So after deleting that, are you sure you want to confirm to delete that? If you click on confirm, already if you remember there were 4 posts, but now there are only 3 posts. Okay, goals today, third post is this form working. Okay, so that first post, that edited post is deleted. Then you will have the test. Okay, so time for test also, which works for present and for the future also. So here we have already added the get absolute URL method to our model, and maybe the new views also for create, update, and then edit post. So here for the present as well as for the future, now we conduct the test also. So if you can remember, we added like get absolute URL method for the model. So and new views also we had like for create, update, and then edit post also. So we had like 4 new posts. One define test get absolute URL method, and then test post create view, post update view, and then post delete view. So now you have to update the existing test.py file. Okay, so blog slash test.py from django.contrib.authentication import get user model. From django.test import the test case. From django.urls import the reverse. Okay, then within the from dot models import the post. Okay, so class blog post test case, define the setup of self. Okay, so self.user get underscore user model dot objects dot create user. Username you are going to have as test user. Email test at the rate of email.com. Password it is secret, so it will be displayed as dot 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 dot. Okay, not as characters. Okay, so then you'll have self dot post, post dot objects dot create. You'll have title, good title. Body you'll have nice body content, and then author it is self dot user. Then for the string representation, you'll have post equal to that the title is nothing but the sample title, and self dot assert equal the string post and the post title you have specified. Then you have defined test get absolute URL. So that is the thing that we have added in the previous thing. Okay, self dot assert equal self dot post get absolute URL. For this also you will have this one, and define test post content self dot assert equal the title, author, and then body. And similarly for the test post list view, you are going to have the reverse form self dot assert equal the response status code of 200, Then self.assert contains the response nice body content, and self.assert template use the response the redirect into the home.html. Then similarly for the post detail view, you are going to have the response self.client.get post 1 and no response. So for example, no response means you will have self.client.get post 100,000. Okay. Then you will have self.assert equal response status code 200. Assert equal no response means 404. Okay. Then self.assert contains response a good title, and then self.assert template used it is post detail.html. Okay. Then for the create view, you are going to update it with a new. Okay, so response is equal to self.client post reverse post underscore new title, body, new text, and author the self.user WSU. Okay. And then self.assert equal response status code of 200. Self.assert contains the new title. Self.assert contains the new text. Then you go with the post update view, which is the new one. Response equal to self.client.post reverse the post edit. Okay, argument is equal to 1. Title the updated title and body also updated text. Okay. Finally, self.assert equal response status code of 302. Then you will go with the updating the post delete view, which is the new one. Response self.client.get reverse post delete argument is equal to 1 and self.assert equal response status code of 200. Okay. So maybe you will have post slash 1 because there is only one post because we are using pk primary key, okay, to be equal to 1. So which means that Django will automatically add for us. Okay. So in order to test the create view, we have to make a new response and then make sure that the response go through the status code 200 and contains the new title as well as new body text. And for updating the view, you have to access the first post with the primary key equal to 1, which is being passed, and it is the only first argument, and we are going to confirm it, which is going to have the 302 redirect. Next, you have to test the delete view by confirming that if we have deleted the post status code, which is nothing but 200, and there will be more tests that will be providing that you can add with the functionality. So this is the independent work for you, Python 3, numbers, strings and list. Please complete them as soon as possible.